Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I like to do my eyebrows. Here's a little before after for you guys. And I'm also going to try out the new Lakmé eyebrow pencils. They actually have 3 different types of eyebrow pencils. The first one actually you have seen me use in a lot of different videos. That is the Micro Brow Perfector. I have shown this even when it wasn't launched. And a lot of you were actually asking me where I got that because you guys saw how nice this eyebrow pencil was. The Micro Brow Perfector actually comes in 2 shades. I am using coffee, and then you also get it in charcoal. The Precision Eyebrow Artist comes in 2 different shades as well. We've got natural black and dark brown. And lastly, we also have this 3D brow definer. This comes in this pencil form and again comes in 2 different shades. We have Espresso and Graphite. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do to my untamed eyebrows is use the spoolie that comes with the Micro Brow Perfector and then use that to comb my eyebrow hair downwards. Then I use the fine tip that the Micro Brow Perfector has and use that to draw a line which is going to be kind of like the line I'm not going to cross when it comes to like plucking my eyebrows, so that I don't over pluck them. And once I'm done plucking them, I am just going to very gently run a razor over, just so that all of the baby hair is kind of gone, the hairs that I could not pluck using my plucker. And then I just went ahead and erased that, and I combed my eyebrow hairs upwards this time, and then now again repeating the exact same thing. I'm just going to pluck all of the excess hair that you see here. For the bottom line, I actually used the Precision Eyebrow Artist because it has that angled shape, so it was actually really easy for me to kind of draw it in the bottom line. Now that we've done grooming our eyebrows, it's time to fill them in. I like to take the Micro Brow Perfector and use that on the arch just so that I can draw really hair-like strokes. It blends into my eyebrow hair like seamlessly. And then for the tail, I like to take the Precision Eyebrow Artist, and I'm using dark brown on my ends, and I love that it has an angle, so it's very easy to draw the tail. So right now on my eyes, I have the 3D brow definer in Graphite, and this is what it looks like. So right now I'm going to use Graphite to fill in my entire eyebrows. This again comes with a spoolie, so you can also see how smooth and pigmented this is. I really like this. So I like to again draw hair-like strokes all throughout my eyebrows and then use the spoolie to blend it all in. Also, your eyebrows are not supposed to look like twins. Try not to overwhelm yourself with the symmetry. And also, my eyebrows naturally have different arcs. This one is more lifted than this side of my face, and it's okay. They're all perfect in their own way, and yeah, I hope you can accept your eyebrows just the way they are. And I really hope that this video was helpful, and let me know if you guys enjoyed doing your own eyebrows. And if you want to check out the eyebrow pencils from Lakmé, they have a huge range now. I'm going to link it in the description for you guys to check out. I really like them. I think they're very long lasting, very pigmented, and totally worth the price. So you can check it out at Lakmé India's website, which I'm going to link down below. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I would love to chat with you guys. And please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the most. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.